Data Box. Presented by Khurram Nadeem.
The world will change next week. GPT-4, which is 500 times more powerful than the current hashtag chatgpt, will be released next week. The current version of ChatGPT is built on GPT 3.5 with 175 billion machine learning parameters. But GPT-4 has 100 trillion milliliters parameters. GPT-4 will be able to process multiple types of data including videos, images, sounds, numbers, etc. By next week, you will be able to use artificial intelligence to write a movie script, use AI to generate actors for the movie, produce the movie and take it public without hiring real-life actors. By next week, you will be able to write a fully illustrated 200-page book from scratch to finish in one day. This is early-stage singularity. Humanity has stepped at the doors of the singularity. GPT-4, or Generative Pre-trained Transformer 4, is the upcoming fourth version of the GPT series of language models developed by OpenAI. The GPT-4 will be a state-of-the-art language model that is designed to generate human-like text and improve natural language processing capabilities. The GPT-4 will be a neural network-based language model, trained on massive amounts of data from various sources, including books, websites, and other text-based sources. The model will use unsupervised learning techniques to learn patterns and relationships in the data, and will be pre-trained on a diverse set of tasks to improve its performance on a wide range of NLP tasks. Some of the new features expected in GPT-4 include increased model size, improved training techniques, and better performance on complex tasks. The model is expected to have significantly larger parameters than its predecessor, GPT-3, which had 175 billion parameters. It is likely that the GPT-4 will have at least double or triple the number of parameters of GPT-3. The GPT-4 will also feature improved training techniques that allow the model to learn from more diverse and complex data sets. The model is expected to be trained on an even wider range of tasks than GPT-3, including more advanced language understanding, reasoning, and translation tasks. The GPT-4 is expected to have a significant impact on a wide range of industries, including finance, healthcare, education, and more. It is likely to be used to automate various tasks, such as generating reports, creating summaries, and answering customer inquiries. It is also expected to have applications in fields such as machine translation, chatbots, and content creation. The release date for GPT-4 has not been announced yet, but OpenAI has stated that it is in the works. It is likely that GPT-4 will be released sometime in the next few years, depending on how quickly OpenAI can complete its development and testing. In summary, GPT-4 is the upcoming fourth version of the GPT series of language models developed by OpenAI. It is expected to be a state-of-the-art language model that is designed to generate human-like text and improve NLP capabilities. It will likely feature increased model size, improved training techniques, and better performance on complex tasks, with applications across various industries.